Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how you can actually vote for the new mobs in Minecraft. So Minecraft has started this kind of series that you will be dropping a lot of mobs, and we as players will be voting for which mob do we like the most and that we will need to be in the game. So for example, if we go to our browser and we search for YouTube, and we go to Minecraft channel. So as you can see from here, we need to open this channel, and just like that we will be having some videos from them that they posted about the new mobs. So for example, let's search for them. For example, there is this one, which is the winner of the last vote. There's these three other mobs, which are these ones. So basically now we can't really vote for them, but I will show you how you can really vote for the newest or the next one that will be upcoming in the future. So for example, after you see the mob video, for example, they give you every information about it like that in a small video like that, and they will be explaining everything about the mob, what it does, what it can do, what are the benefits of having it, and stuff like that, etc, etc. After you like the mob and you really wanted it to be existing in your game, what you have to do is go down below in the description and vote for your favorite map on minecraft.net, and you will have every information about the voting. For example, here voting opens on October 14, and it will give you 24 hours to make your voice heard, and after that they will stop the vote. So that was about the last October 6th, and they already ended this vote, so you will not have it in the landing page, but in the next voting stuff you will be able to see it in the landing page, and you will be always able to vote for your mob that you want him or you want it to exist in your Minecraft game. So that was it for today's tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.